So this year has been quite transformational in terms of our structure. So we are moving to be a kind of organisation that is dancer-led, user-led, participant-led, and kind of the community are really driving the vision for what we do. Within that comes a change in governance. We're still a charity, but we're changing to a membership model, so an association. And without the support of this funding, we wouldn't be doing any of this work really to embed that new model. It's allowed lots of our dancers to become much more part of these conversations. A lot of the funding has gone towards keeping our dancers in the sector. If we hadn't had this funding, we wouldn't be able to give them kind of a viable career in this area. We live very rurally. It's very rare to have this many dancers engaging in this kind of work where we are, and we want to keep them here, and we want to keep them in the sector. Prior to this, we might not have survived as an organisation, so getting this funding has allowed us to build on projects that were happening, but also give them some longevity. So we've run some dancer residencies where dancers could look at their own practice in different areas of the community that we work with. They've had that time there to really nourish their own practice, and the idea then that they can go out into the community and they'll always benefit from that. If your dancers are feeling inspired and connected with the rest of Wales, then it can only mean good things for our communities. So since the residencies, dancers have now taken on projects of their own, little mini testing projects in different community groups. So they're getting to be out there in the world, which previously we were on a pause, so we weren't getting to actually engage with the people that we love dancing with. So it's that little bit of, oh hey, hi communities, we still exist, we're still here, and we really want to dance with you. Everything that we are going for in the future is honouring our heritage and where we've come from. Various different iterations of the name of the organisation. We were Impelo, we were Powys Dance, we were Footloose. We've been so many things when we've been attached to different places, and now we're kind of honouring all of that history, creating our organisational culture based on what's come before and the things that we value.